Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Silica cat litter. First, ensure your litter box is clean and dry before adding any litter. Then, pour in the silica gel litter, aiming for a depth of about 2 to 3 inches. This initial layer provides ample surface area for absorption and odor control. It's important to start with the correct amount to maximize the litter's effectiveness and lifespan. This careful setup helps your cat adjust comfortably to their new litter environment. Daily maintenance is key to keeping your silica litter fresh. Each day, scoop out any solid waste, just as you would with traditional litter. Pay attention to the litter's color. A yellowish tint indicates it's absorbing urine. Stirring the litter once or twice daily helps distribute the saturated crystals, allowing the drier ones to absorb more effectively. This simple routine extends the life of your litter and maintains a clean environment. Knowing when to perform a full litter change is crucial. You'll notice the litter losing its odor control or becoming predominantly yellow and saturated. When this happens, it's time for a complete refresh. Empty all the old litter, then thoroughly wash the litter box with warm water and a mild, pet-safe soap. Rinse it well and ensure it's completely dry before refilling with fresh silica litter to the initial 2 to 3 inch depth. For proper disposal, simply scoop the used silica litter into a sealed bag and place it in your regular household trash. If your cat is new to silica litter, consider a gradual transition by mixing a small amount with their current litter, slowly increasing the silica over several days. This helps them adapt without stress. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.